Hello, today is August the 12th, 2019, and this is the Springdale project. This is a progress video from last week's video, so 2 weeks ago. So anyway, take y'all a walk inside and made a lot of progress. Let's see what we got. We got the tile, we got the ceiling fan in, all the painting's been done. We'll have to come back and do a touch up, and we'll go over here and we'll take a look at the tile for the kitchen has been laid and grouted. We wanted the same darker grout through all the house. I think it wears better over time. So kitchen's ready. Cabinets are supposed to be delivered on Friday, and so we'll see about that. And then we come over here, we got, I don't know if that door got set in the last video or not. Like I said, the electrical work's being installed. Toilet is gonna go on tomorrow. The guy hasn't shown up. So anyway, this tile's been done and grouted. And then we got this shower right here has been done and grouted. And I think it looks pretty good. We use the transition strips instead of beveling tile. And everything is coming together pretty good actually. And as you can see, we use the stuff that we need to use to get this house done correctly. Let's see, that's the dining room and the kitchen lighting. There's the toilet that hasn't been installed yet. And now we will go upstairs and take a look. Some lights have been installed. And we'll go up here and we'll take a look at what's going on in here. So that is the lighting for, we got that light up. Let's see, smoke detectors have all been installed. And we got the doors set. They just set the doors today for that door, for that frame, for that closet in the master. That's him doing the grout and for the tile in the master suite. And
hi, Mom.
That is the master shower tile. I think it looks really good. So everything is coming along. And let's see, what other door did we get hung today? I'm pretty sure we got this one hung. Yeah. So that one got hung today. And we are just rocking and rolling on this little project. So stay tuned and we will keep this thing rolling. So the next video, we should have a receipt of the cabinets. Toilet should be set. And that's the vanity for this bathroom right here, but I don't like setting up vanities because all the contractors use them and trash them. So tell me if that's ever happened before. Y'all can leave a comment in the video. Anyway, this is Forrest, and until next time, y'all enjoy the videos. All right, bye-bye.